Hey everyone, welcome back. If you forgot your Robinhood password, reset it safely in minutes. Here's how. On the main login screen, tap I need help and then forgot my password. After that, enter the email. After that, go ahead and check your Gmail. You'll get a link. Then click on reset password and then click on Google. Then you're going to create a new password and it must be at least 10 characters and make sure that it is a strong password. Now, once your password is updated, click on login and there we go. This is how you guys can reset your password. Now enter the password you have just resetted and then login. And that's it. This is how you guys can log in into your or reset your Robinhood password, and that's it. Password resets protect your account even if they cause short delays, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick